1. Solar System. Our solar system. The night sky dotted with thousands of twinkling stars, the moon and the planets is a beautiful sight. Every child wonders about what lies beyond the sky. The bright ball seen in the sky during the day is the sun. The sun provides us with warmth and light. We are able to see the wonderful world around us because of the sun's bright light. We call this light sunlight. This beautiful sunlight fills our day with energy. The universe. Observe this picture of the universe. Our Earth, the other planets, the moon, and the sun, along with many such countless bodies, are called heavenly bodies. These heavenly bodies together form the universe. Stars. Stars are heavenly bodies made up of hot burning gases. Our sun is a huge star. It is the most important source of light energy for the Earth. There are billions and billions of stars in the universe. They are enormous in size, mass, and their temperature can go up to more than 6,000 degrees Celsius. Some stars are even bigger than the sun. They appear to be very small because they are very far from the Earth. A star, along with its family of planets and satellites, is called a solar system. Many such solar systems make up a galaxy. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. In the north sky, at night we see a bright star called the pole star. It has been guiding sailors and travelers since ancient times. The sun guided them during the day, while the pole star guided them at night. Planets. The term planet is derived from the Greek word planetes, meaning wanderer. This is because planets move around a star in a fixed path called the orbit. Planets are cold bodies, and unlike stars, they do not have light of their own. They can be seen only when a star illuminates them. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Satellites. Small heavenly bodies that orbit around the planets are known as satellites. Like planets, they do not have any light of their own. Satellites can be natural or artificial. The moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Artificial satellites are man-made objects that are sent to space with the help of rockets and made to orbit the Earth or other heavenly bodies in the solar system. They are especially helpful in getting valuable information about the Earth as well as other heavenly bodies. They also help us communicate. Aryabhat was India's first artificial satellite. It was launched in space on 19th April 1975. The Solar System. Let us take a tour of our solar system. The Sun is the center of our solar system, as the planets revolve around the Sun in their orbits. Mercury. It is the planet closest to the Sun and is therefore very hot. It is also the smallest planet in our solar system and takes a complete circle around the Sun in 88 days. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the hottest and the brightest planet in our solar system. It is also known as the twilight star because it is visible as the first bright object both at dawn and at dusk. Venus is also known as the morning star. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It receives moderate heat from the Sun. The temperature on Earth is just right for life to exist. When seen from space, it appears blue, as 70% of its surface is covered with water. Hence, it is also called the blue planet. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It appears red due to the presence of red rocks found on its surface. Therefore, it is also known as the red planet. The rocks get their red color from the large amount of iron present in them. It looks like a tiny yellow bulb in the sky. Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet of our solar system. It is the fourth brightest heavenly body after the Sun, the Moon, and Venus. Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in our solar system. It has 9 rings around it. These rings are made up of gases, dust, and ice particles. Uranus. It is the 7th planet from the Sun. This planet has rings that are not easily visible. It is light blue in color due to the presence of methane gas in its atmosphere. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and the coldest planet of our solar system. Until 2006, Pluto was considered as the 9th planet of our solar system. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union (IAU) decided that Pluto was too small to be called a planet. They decided to call it a dwarf planet.